What is going on, my friends? Good morning, and welcome to today's video. Today is going to be a full day in the life on this beautiful Wednesday. Wednesdays are the days that I run my 10 kilometers in Stanley Park. Super excited about that. Mother Nature is slowly creeping her way in though, and I am feeling it so hard. So I'm gonna take a Tylenol before I run. Otherwise, every single time I end up keeled over on the side of the path for like 5 minutes. Not even kidding you, but at least I finish and I do my best. So today is a running day. I am about to make breakfast right now. I'm just gonna take you guys through a day in the life. Thank you guys so much for all of your recommendations on my previous video and my Vancouver apartment tour. I love that you guys loved it. It means so much, all of your sweet comments, and that you guys also took time to give me some recommendations for the channel. So thank you guys, and let's do a day in the life. So I'm about to make breakfast right now. It is, why is that clock not working? It is 7:44. I am drinking my One Up Nutrition greens drink. Gotta give it a little stir. I always just keep a straw in it so that I can stir it, because the sediment does settle on the bottom, all of the good stuff, and you want to make sure you drink that. So I drink this every single morning just to kickstart digestion, help detoxify the body, eliminate bloating, and it greatly helps my skin. So this is something that I have been drinking forever. I mix it with apple cider vinegar. That is also for digestion. It helps to stimulate HCl in the gut, which is your stomach acids that are going to help you to break down food. So I drink this first on an empty stomach, and I'm just prepping food for when my man comes over. He will be here in about 15-20 minutes, and I will show you guys how I make my perfect oats. Somebody asked for a walkthrough, and I'm more than happy to do that. I eat the same breakfast every single day, you guys. I am a creature of habit, you know that, and I love it so much, and the day is not complete unless I have my favorite breakfast. So that is why. And I feel like I just keep adding a little bit of things to make it even better. Before I didn't use chia seeds or bee pollen. Now I use both. So I'll give you guys a walkthrough on how I make them. Okay, so I have measured out the oats here. I have 100 grams for my boyfriend and I have 40 grams for myself. Put 7 grams of chia seeds in mine, 10 in his. And I'm gonna be using stevia to sweeten. I am currently using the vanilla sweet drops. I really like the English toffee as well. So I put all of this together, as well as cinnamon, in the bowl, and I add hot water first. So the reason I'm gonna do that is because I really like how it just like soaks up all the water, and then I microwave it. I feel like these steps are super important because then they're going to be super fluffy. I don't want thin, like runny oats. I want thick, fluffy oats, and this is how I do it. So water. So you're gonna wanna let it sit for about at least 5 minutes. I mean, sometimes the longer the better. And then I'm going to microwave it for 60 seconds. Oh, to be a man and have 100 grams of oats. Breakfast is served. You guys, look how colorful this looks. We kind of already started, but hello, dream oats. 100 grams there. This is the new additions to the morning oatmeal though, you guys. We have some bee pollen, and it is so good and full of vitamin B12. It just adds a little something to the oats. Look how aesthetic these look. Yes. So we have 40 grams of oats, 7 grams of chia seeds, cinnamon, stevia, frozen blueberries, nut and seed butter, and the bee pollen, and then egg whites and oats. I mean, egg whites and 1 full egg. About to start my run. I will see you guys after. The time is 9:37. Mother Nature is still kicking in for this run, and I just want to remind you guys to slow down and not quit. 2 weeks out of the month, the run is super hard, but that's okay because it makes the other 2 weeks out of the month like my best run. So kind of dying right now.
1 hour later.
Whew, home from the run, you guys, and hot damn, I am feeling it. No matter how hard, no matter how hard I tried to move my legs today, they just weren't going fast enough. Recovery is super important, and I usually always do a Epsom salt bath before my long runs. and I haven't had one for about 2 weeks, but my body was just like, hey, we're not running super fast today. That is okay. Not every day is going to be your best time. Not every day you're going to be able to break your PR. Just make sure that it is your best for that specific day, and that is all that you can do. So I'm at home now, and I'm about to make second breakfast, which is my fave. It's the same damn thing, but I promise you guys, we are switching it up later in the day. And then I'm also going to be drinking this Tribe ACV sparkling apple cider vinegar drink mix. So it's turmeric, ginger, peach. Haven't tried it yet. There is only 6 calories, 1.5 grams of fat, 1.5 grams of sugar, and yeah, that's it. I got it at Urban Fair last night. So making some food, gonna get ready for the day. Family walk. Hi, Megs. Hi. Okay, you guys, so, sorry that was loud. Headed off for an afternoon coffee numero dos because we're both fainting. And it's like 12:30 exactly. That run took a lot out of me, and Maggie actually goes to CrossFit at 6 or 7.
Depends, 7 today.
She's an early riser, so she got her morning workout in already done, and we need coffee number 2. I will show you where we go. We're just walking the streets of Yaletown right now. Let's do it. Midday snack is going to be a small bowl of strawberries. They are extra ripe. I love when they're a little bit darker because they are super sweet. That's exactly what I'm after. Little learning pro tip to all my plant mamas out there. I recently got this moisture meter from Canadian Tire, and it has been so helpful in knowing if my plants need to be watered instead of just guessing. So I wanted to share that with you guys because I have learned to absolutely love it, and I wish I knew about it before. So lunch today is going to be air fried green beans. We have Japanese white rice and some garlic blend sprouts. And then tilapia that has roasted red pepper, Cajun, and red chili flakes on there. Dinner time, you guys. We are having air fried green beans, some rice, scallops, and shrimp. Yum! Courtesy of Babe. Alright, you guys, nightcap is protein pudding with the vegan One Up Nutrition banana bread protein. You guys know that I always finish my night with a protein pudding. It used to be chocolate as my go-to, but now it is the banana bread, and it's empty, so that is very sad. I mix it with a little bit of almond milk until batter consistency, and then I top it with frozen berries. You can also do any toppings of choice, so if you want to add like chocolate chips to it, you definitely can, some cereal, whatever you want. And then my boyfriend started eating his, but I mixed his with a little bit of the peanut butter, so it's like banana peanut butter. Yeah, that is it for this full day of eating.